Did you miss me yet? Missed you guys. Alright, so today is Tuesday. And I'm going to kind of go through what I want you guys to do for today, for Tuesday. Okay, so first things first. If you're seeing this, well, my ELA, okay, so Sullivan ELA, Sullivan Homeroom, I guess I should say, you have library today. So you need to make sure that you get your library books in the bin and get it down to the library before you have library today. Okay, so make sure someone takes care of that. Alright, so for ELA today, for Sullivan's group and for Moats' group, you guys are going to, first of all, make sure that you have read chapters 1 through 6 of George's Secret Key to the Universe, because tomorrow we're going to keep going. We're going to continue on. So read chapters 1 through 6 of George's Secret Key. Make sure it's done. Make sure you've got those done. When you finish, or if you finish that the last couple of days, fantastic. I have an activity for you guys to do, and I'm going to show it to you kind of through this. I don't know how pretty it's going to look, but Screencastify isn't working. I tried it yesterday, and it was like a bust. So, what you're going to do, and let me see if I can flip this. Sorry, it's kind of like a roller coaster. Okay, so you're going to see my computer screen. It's not going to be the best in the world, but this is my language arts. This is for tomorrow. So you're going to click on that, okay? Or today, I guess. It's today, not tomorrow. Go to instructions. Mine's a little super slow, but that's okay. And this basically tells you what to do. Watch the video first. You know that. Make sure you read chapters 1 through 6. Then you're going to do the reading analysis. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to click on it. It's going to pop up. It is a Google Doc. Okay. All right. So we're going to talk a little bit about like point of view when I get back from quarantine or whatever you want to call this. And so I want to show you what I want you guys to do tomorrow as you guys are finishing up chapters 1 through 6. So we're going to be talking about points of view and how the points of view can change depending on, you know, what character we're referring to. So in this particular activity, we're going to be taking a look at George and his point of view. And so, again, we know that everyone, the word like everyone is referred to in this book is like he or she. So we know that this book, and I'm going to answer this question for you. So if you're listening, then this question will be answered for you. We know that this book is third person because of the fact that we have those he or she pronouns. So I also can tell that the point of view is focused primarily on George. He's our big character. He's our main character. And so we see and we read a lot of his thoughts and feelings that are described. So for this chart, I did one for you. I want you to do 3 more. But for this chart, I'm going to start with, I went ahead and pulled from page 37. And this was where Eric introduced him to Cosmos and he gulped. So that was George's action. George did something. He gulped. And so I put that there because it makes sense that George would gulp when he meets Cosmos. Because, okay, why would that make sense? What do you do when you gulp? What do you do when you gulp? You tend to be kind of nervous. His thoughts, he had no idea what to say when he first met Cosmos. So we know that he was kind of feeling pretty nervous. Oops, I did that. About meeting Cosmos. Pretty nervous when he says hello to a computer. So what I want you, so that was just my first example. So his action, what he was thinking, and his feelings. And so what I want you guys to do is I want you to find 3 more different scenes from chapters 1 through 6. And I want you to do kind of the same thing I did here. pick his action, what were his thoughts and feelings at that time? And then this question, what point of view is this story told from? How do you know? I've kind of already answered that for you. You can just type it out in the box. And how would the story be different if the narrator had access to Dr. Reaper's thoughts and feelings as well as George's? So just another thing to kind of have you think about it. So that's what I want you to do for this activity. Once you've got that finished, you can go on with the rest of your independent work for the week. I haven't changed any independent work. It's all the same. Hopefully you saw that and it wasn't too crazy blurry. I couldn't get it to work for the computer screens, whatever. So then make sure that you finish your reading questions in chapters 1 through 6. The 2 pages that you have in your ELA folder, keep it in your ELA folder. Continue to type your final copy of your superhero essay. I haven't checked them yet. I'll try to get some of them checked tomorrow and see if we need to make some corrections. I'm sure we'll have to make some corrections, but I will get those checked for you tomorrow. Spelling homework is due Wednesday, so make sure you have that done. If you get that done, you can practice your words on Gimkit. They're still there. Okay? So that's for ELA. Easy peasy? Cool. Social studies. Social studies is kind of the same process. There's 2 different, you guys are kind of on 2 different levels here. 2 different not levels, but you're on 2 different plans right now. So yesterday you guys worked on your Aztec booklet. If you did not finish that, that's the first thing I want you to do. Aztec booklet, okay? So make sure that you're working on that if it's not done. And then if you finish your Aztec booklet, this is where you guys have kind of like a flipped plan. If Mrs. Moat's homeroom, if you finish your booklet, okay, I'm going to show you the screen again. Sorry, that's my television. Okay, if you finish your booklet, you can go to, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you click on this is social studies, by the way. Go to instructions. Okay. If you finish your Aztec booklet, then for Mrs. Moates' group, there are 2 videos here, exploring Maya civilization and the history of the culture of the Olmec. Watch those videos. This is for Mrs. Moates' class. Mrs. Sullivan's group, if you didn't finish the videos, then you need to finish those too. When you're done, after you've watched the videos, you're going to comment below something that you found interesting. I already have a few comments down there already, which are really cool. If you finish those videos, then there's my fast finisher doc right here that you guys, this is a fast finisher assignment you could be working on for Wednesday. So you've got plenty of work that you can be working on in social studies as well. I've been reading all the comments. These are really good. I love all of these. Good job. My homeroom did a really good job with these. So I'm waiting to see some of the really good facts for Mrs. Moates' group. So that is the plan for social studies. Okay. I think that's all I got for you guys today. Homeroom, you guys have library today. I already told you that. So I don't know if you have a sub today. I don't know if you're absorbing. Regardless, you're going to do the same activities. So hopefully everything's going smoothly. I've heard nothing but awesome things from you guys for the last 2 days, and I very much appreciate it. The plan is to see you on Thursday. That's the plan. So I hopefully will be there. Mask on, but I'll be there. All right, guys, I miss you. Thank you so much for all the hard work you're doing. Thank you for all the learning that you're continuing to do. And if you have any questions, just use the comments and I will see them as fast as I can. I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.